Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to do my 15-minute makeup routine. I hope you love it. Who has time in the morning for anything more than 15 minutes? Not me, as you will see in this video. So let's get to it. I'm doing some filming today and I need to get my face on. I look super tired, so I figured let me just do a quick little makeup tutorial so I could show you what I do for every day and then how to just amp it up a tiny bit for I guess like filming, so a little bit extra. So far I just have on some tinted moisturizer. I love using this Elta MD so much. Don't mind my nails, need a manicure badly. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to use this foundation that I absolutely love, Charlotte Tilbury. I use shade 3. And I use like a little beauty blender brush. I always wet it and squeeze it out. And this gives a really, really nice blend. You could even just wipe it off a little bit with a towel. And then I just do like a little bit of a squeeze on there, not too much. And get that hair out of the face. And this is when you really start to see a difference. It just covers up any little imperfections, blemishes, red marks, whatever, you name it. I mean, I love this stuff. And what's great about it is that it's super buildable. So you can either just do one layer of it. If you're doing some production or want a little bit more coverage, you can go over it a couple times and get a little bit more coverage out of it. And so it's totally buildable and up to you how much you want to use. But already you just look more alive and oh, so good. Okay, huge difference already. So that's always my step 1. Okay. Now, step 2, Wander Beauty. I love it. I use Fair, and I just go right under here. And I love this concealer because it doesn't get cakey. I find that sometimes concealers end up like looking really gross when you pack it on, and throughout the day it just ends up making you look old. This is the one that I found that I really, really love. There's 2 parts to it. You could use the second illuminator part underneath it. I usually end up just setting this because it lasts longer. So essentially I just take any excess and rub it around the top because I have some little like veins up there. So I like to kind of blend those out a little bit and then just underneath. And it's all about just like blend, blend, blend all day. All right, and then any like little imperfections or zits or whatever you want to cover up, you can just go over it with a little beauty blender. Okay, setting it, I use Urban Decay Velvetizer with a little fluffy brush like this, and I just like dip it in the powder and then just kind of swirl it on the cap. And then I just go over the lid so those don't crease, and a little bit underneath, so I kind of open my eye and just go like this. And this just sets it all into place so that you don't see those creases at all throughout the day, especially if you're sweating, you're running around. It really is super duper helpful. Okay, lips are chapped a little bit. I'm using this matcha stick from Cocoa Kind. Love it so much. Next, some sculpting. Kevin Aquan. This is the medium shade sculpting powder. So I just use one of these tapery kind of brushes. I have one that's got more of those like packed brushes, like something like this. I just find it's too intense and makes the line look so structured. And I go for more of that like natural kind of look. So this I find just makes it look a little bit more like blended. It's actually funny, that line right there. That's really where you want to, the line coming from, that's the line you want to follow. So it's right under that jawbone. And then I also go along the jawline so that gets a little more structured as well. A little down here. Go one more time like that. Sometimes I go a little bit up here just to bring the forehead down. And then on either side of the bridge of my nose, okay, one side, you see how already that structures it? And this side. And you could use a more like precise brush for this part, but I don't. I'm the kind of girl that uses like one brush for everything. I know it's not the right way, but so that's it. Now, I take a fluffier brush. I've had this for 100 years. I think it's Arbonne. I do need a new one, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet. This also is Glow from Avon. I've had this when I collaborated with them literally 6 years ago. And I still have it. I'm still using it because it's fine. It works. So I usually do this bronzer first, and I just go over those lines I just created just to blend it out and create more of like a glowy bronze rather than like a sculpted brown. So it's more of like a beach glow type of situation. The lighting is like, huh. Okay. Go over these lines again. I go over this and this a little bit too. Little forehead, really everywhere like the sun would hit you. Okay. And then the latest edition that I just bought. Where are you, friend? Ah, I already took it out. This one, which is Urban Decay Beached Bronzer Sunkissed. It's just nice because it kind of has like a little bit of peachy hue to it, so it does make you look kind of like sun-kissed. So anywhere the sun would hit you. So up there, just go over this again here. Sometimes I even go over this just to look like a little sunburn. Take it till you make it. I ain't putting my face in the sun. Now, as far as eyebrows go, I used to fill in. I don't anymore. And I just use a gel just to kind of stick them into place. But do whatever you need with your brows. Mine just got kind of goo-goo. So I just use a gel and just stick them where they belong. And they stay in place for like 5 minutes and then they're gone. That's cool. Right, that's that. Lately I've been using also this Makupe, also by Dini Klein. And it's just nice because I just make a little circle here, right at the little apples of my cheeks. And it's just like a very subtle, very dewy kind of blush. You see that? Very, very subtle, very pretty. I usually do that. And if I'm doing some stuff on camera and also just want to look a little bit extra sculpted and highlighted, using a highlighter makes all the difference. So I just use this kind of brush. I don't know if it's the right brush to use, but that's just what I use. And I have this e.l.f. baked highlighter that I've had forever too, and it's just a really good one. I just go right like this. So right at that top point right there. See? And you could take like the moisture from your hand and just sort of dab, 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 and then right down here. Cool. Let me go take the kids to school. Okay, and then it's also nice to go like this. Okay, beautiful. We're almost done. Let's do some super simple lips. This is a darker lip than I usually use, but it's fine for now. This one is MAC Soar. Okay, normally I use like something lighter, but line them. Especially if I just want something everyday, easy. I go straight here. I'll show you. Line, 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 and then to get that natural look, just kind of blend it out, and it just kind of makes them look like slightly colored, slightly puffy, super natural. See? You could add some color if you want to. I'm kind of obsessed with Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. This one, it's beautiful. So when I do want to like amp it up a little, do that. Okay, so now I'm just doing 2-second eyes. This is also Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Exaggerate Eyes, Bigger Brighter Eyes filter. Comes with 4 little colors. So I just follow along what they do. So I do the lighter one first. I do this kind of goldy one, kind of like, that's kind of the motion you're going. Right there in that crease. And then what I do is kind of make like a triangle. And that elongates eyes. See that? Okay, and then I do the darker one, again in that crease, in that little triangle shape. Warnings. Crap, look at this, 11 minutes, I'm almost done. That's what it's about. busy mom. Who the heck has time for more than this? I swear. And this is even more than I normally do. I don't normally do all this eye stuff. Only on special occasions like today. Okay, great. So as you can see, already coming together, looking pretty. If you do want to do some sort of liner situation, I have this, it's a million years old, Ellen Tracy Duo Brow Pencil, but it's just like a brown color. I'll just show you how I would line it if you wanted to line it. So you essentially go like from a little bit farther out and you point it down. And that elongates as well. So a little higher up. Just kind of like opens the eye, and then I'm gonna blend it all out too. Okay. Blend that out. So you see that line? Again, going in that triangle. So now I just kind of blend it up like that. So this line and this line. And again like this. And like that. Just to make it all blendy. Take a big fluffer brush. I guess you can just take this, whatever, doesn't matter. And again, just blend it all out. So it's all even and looks natural. Your eyes look just kind of elongated. And now, we take it OTT, over the top, is getting our mascara on. And then it's time to take these kids to school. Give your eyelashes a little curl. Little curl. And the mascara I've been using lately is this one by Honest Beauty. They sent this one to me and it's honestly really good, and that is not sponsored or branded or anything like that. Alright, so you're just coating all that little white. And boom shakalaka. Done. See? But this is it. It's just like super natural, super dewy. Still nice enough for production. A lot of times when I'm done, I will use this Honest Beauty again to, it's just like a little Revive Refresh Elevated Hydration Mist. Oop, totally missed my face. Just smells really beautiful, and it just kind of like awakens your whole face, and it sets it a little bit and just makes you feel super dewy and pretty, which is all about it's just like natural makeup. So there it is. All right, you guys, hope you love that, and let me know what you think. Comment below, be sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think, and I will also share all of the products down below. Bye guys.